So boys, after doing question number 5 of exercise 5b, we will move toward question number 6, that is find the difference of 79 kg 215 grams, okay, and 35 kg 600 grams. Here I have written kilogram and gram as I have done in the addition. 79 215, and then starting from gram 0 under 5, 0 under 1, 6 under 2, then 5 under 9 and 3 under 7. Then 5 minus 0 we have to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Can we subtract 6 from 2? No, we cannot. So what I have to do, I will borrow from 9 and 9 will become 8 and I will give 1 over here. It will become 12. Okay. 1 tens and 2 ones. It is 12. 12 minus 6 is, when I will subtract 6 from 12, it is 6. Then now it is 8. 8 minus 5 is 5. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So when we subtract 35 kilograms 600 grams from 79 kilogram 215 grams, our answer is 45 kilograms kg 615 grams. Okay boys? Boys, in part B you can see there is something different. It is 3 kilogram 110 grams and 1345 grams, and we all know 1000 grams mean 1 kilogram. So can we separate this 1000? 1000 plus 345 is 1345. So what we are going to do, we will write 1345 grams equals to, okay, let's write SOL for solution, is equal to 1000 grams plus 345 grams. Okay. Now, can I write 1000 gram as 1 kilogram? Yes, 1 kilogram, but we cannot add kilogram and gram. So, 1 kilogram 345 grams. Okay. So, now it is also in kilogram and gram. Now can we do the subtraction? Yes. So let's write kg and g. For kg, in the first value there is 3 kg 110 gram. I will write 3 under here and 110. For the second value, we will write 5 under 0, 4 under 1 and 3 under 1. And then I will write 1 under 3. So boys, now we have to subtract it. Can I subtract 5 from 0? No. What I will do, I will take borrow from it. It will be 10. And now it is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Can I subtract 4 from 0? No. So I will borrow from it. It will become 10 and now it is 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now boys, it is 0. Can I subtract 3 from 0? We cannot. So we will take from the neighbor one value. It will be 2 and it will become 10. Okay. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer here boys is 1 kg and 765 grams. After doing question number 6, we will move toward question number 7. It is convert the following. So what we have to convert? We have to convert 14 kilograms 750 grams into grams only. Okay. Here you can see these are already in grams. So we don't have to change it into grams. But this is kilogram. So we have to change it first. Okay. We will write SOL for solution and then we will write 14 kg. What it will be? Boys, it is 14 kg So boys, you can see when we have to convert this kilogram in grams, we have to multiply 14 with 1000. So after multiplying, it will be 14,000 grams. Okay. Now it is in grams and this is also in gram. I will write 14 kg 750 g. It will be, in place of 14 kg, I will write 14,000 grams plus, okay, then I will write this 750 grams. When I will add 14,000 and 750, it will become 14,750 grams. Okay boys, this is a question I have done. The other parts, remaining parts of question number 7 is your homework. So boys, your classwork is you have to do activity question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 full, and question number 7 part A of page number 119 on copy. Your homework is you have to do question number 7 full of page number 119 on copy. Okay. If you have any problem boys, you can ask me in the comments. Take care.